I'm George Stashak from Mr. Combi Training, and in this video I'd like to show you the Vaillant control system called V-Smart. It comes in a box. There's two main components here. We've got the room thermostat, which is here, normally located in the lounge. Then we've got the receiver, which looks like this little square box, and that would be situated somewhere near the boiler. Also included in the box is another wall backplate for a different location in that house. So we simply unplug it from the lounge, pop it into here, and now this becomes the central point of the central heating system. Also in the box is a tabletop stand or the bedroom. So we can control the system from anywhere this happens to be. The customer needs to download the app. They put all the details in, email address, password protected, and this is ready to go. On the display we will see the outside temperature, which is received from the local weather station, the inside temperature, which is the room thermostat, and down here we will have all the different modes where we've got the winter mode, which will be heating and hot water, or hot water in the summer, or frost protection holiday mode. That we make the choice here of how many hours we want to have it working and at what temperature is selected from the top. So this is easy peasy setup as well. Anywhere we have a Wi-Fi signal, we can control this combi boiler, when to switch on, when to switch off, and how high we want that temperature. If the house happens to be a little bit larger and they have a hot water cylinder, then we move over to this type of system, 2 zones, normally known as Honeywell S-Plan. So with that will be a cylinder thermostat or the sensor which they supply in this box, which is called the VR66. The wiring from the zone valve is always done first, and as you see here, we've got the orange and the grey joined together and made electrically safe. The live and neutral go into a plug here, central heating 1. Honeywell will simply have an earth wire which is available there. On the hot water side, exactly the same again. Orange and grey are joined together and made safe, and then the live and neutral go into the hot water outlet socket there. If we use a sensor, that goes into the dark blue plug at the end. The next stage we're going to do is to join up the receiver to the VR66 to the boiler. So all we need there is a flex. We're using 0.5, 0.6, 0.75 flex. We only need small stuff because there's no real current, no voltage coming down here to talk of. I'm going to use the brown as my plus and my blue as the minus. Here we've got a plus and a minus. Here I've got a plus and a minus E-bus, so that's going to go from there to here, and from here I'm going to piggyback another flex, and that will go into the boiler plus and minus, and now that receiver is now connected physically to the boiler. We can now use our app to switch the system on and then power up the heating, test that fully, make sure that the stats respond, and that's finished. And then the hot water we can check as well by turning up the cylinder stat up and down. And that's the installation complete. Overall, very easy to install, well under an hour. There should be no real issues, but we do get one extra feature, which is the manual. And in here, we've got all different settings for different scenarios. For this particular system, this is a combi boiler with 2 zones. That's page 10. And that will also tell us there's a yellow screw here where to position that in. So therefore, everything is coordinated, very simple wiring and fully controllable, and highly recommended for every Vaillant installation. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.